Can this highlight it a lot? We need to highlight the corresponding size based on how the congruence is named. Basically, the letters in order show the matching parts. And then we need to fill in the blanks. So MN goes with BC, NO goes with CD, OP goes with DA, and MP is going to go with BA. And then we match the different parts up by color. Segment MN is congruent to segment BC. Segment CD is going to be congruent to segment NO. OP is going to be congruent to DA. And PM is going to be congruent to AB. And the order doesn't matter. PM, MP, AD, DA, ON, BC, CD, CB, same thing. Now the order, when you're naming the angles though, PMN, P to M to N is the same as B to A to D. P to M to N is the same as A to B to C, and so on. You just match the corresponding letters up. Same thing with diagram 2. KL goes with RS. LM goes with ST. And then the beginning and last, KM, goes with the beginning and last, which is RT. So you match those up that way, and you identify the corresponding parts. Be sure you use the correct notation. Now KL to M goes from yellow to pink. So yellow to pink is going to be RST or TSR. TRS is blue to yellow. So MKL is going to be what works with the other one. So WX goes with WZ. XY is going to go with CY. And WY goes with WY. So that sets the color coding up. And you just have to identify the matching parts. Angle's a little bit tricky. If you're going Z to W to Y, that's purple to red. So you have to do purple to red on the other side, which is X to W to Y. For WXY, you're going purple to green, so you have to go purple to green, WZY, and so on. Okay, let's go on to the next diagram. ER goes with SD. RT goes with DF. And TY goes with FA. And then the remaining EY goes with SA. So we have them all color-coded, have to identify the corresponding parts. Notice that for the segments, I'm putting congruence or segment marks over those. Otherwise, we would be talking about distances, and it would be incorrect. Distances goes with equals. Segments go with congruence. And doing the color coding, you can figure out what the correct angles are by the colors. As an example, RTY, R to T to Y is blue to pink or blue to purple. So the other one, blue to purple, is going to be DFA. Here we have AB matches with CD. BC matches with DA. And AC matches with CA. And then we name the corresponding parts based on the colors. Triangle ABC or angle ABC is yellow to purple. So yellow to purple on the other one is going to be CDA. DAC is purple to blue. So the other one, purple to blue, is going to be BCA, and so on. Here we have HE goes with HI. ER goes with IM. And HR goes with HM. So ER matches IM, and so on. Now for the angles, if we're going to do HMI, H to M to I is yellow to blue. So the other one, yellow to blue, is going to be HRE. And that's how you can get the right order as you're going for the other side. Okay, let's look at page 2. Now we're dealing with a little bit more complicated shapes, but really it's still the same idea. We're going to color code based on the congruent statement. MN goes with BC, NO goes with CD, and OP goes with DA, and then MP is going to go with BA. So we get those all coded up. And now we have to find matching corresponding parts. So looking at the blues, we can set the two blue expressions equal to each other. Using the pinks, 2x is equal to 10 gives us x is equal to 5. Putting the blues together, we get z is equal to 12. And then what else can we do? With the 60 and the y, those are corresponding. So y is equal to 60. Same idea with HER and HIM. HE goes with HI. ER goes with IM. And HR goes with HM. So each one gets its own color. That helps us match it up. (3C plus 2 corresponds to, that's a green-blue, corresponds to the green-blue on the other side, which is 74. So C ends up being equal to 24 for that one. For the green ones, 2A plus 3 is equal to 3A plus 2, so A is equal to 1. And then we have 2 C's is equal to B, but we know what C is, so we can easily figure out what B is. Algebra is getting a little bit more complicated for these, but we got WX goes with WZ, so purple gets those sides. XY is going to go with CY, so we'll do those in yellow. And then WY goes with WY in the center for the pink. And we can match the side lengths up. So pretty much the same pattern goes for the rest of these. We can see that 4E plus 7 is going to match with 2E plus 29. 2F plus 15 is going to match with 4F minus 6. And 56 degrees is going to match with 3D plus 5. Clam chowder. We can also see that ER goes with SD, RT with DF, and TY with FA, and SA with EY, which lets us set up the corresponding statements so we can solve for the different variables. And then the same thing is going to go on with the last one. So in the last triangle, AB matches with CD, BC matches with DA, and AC matches with CA, and we can match the corresponding parts up. In this instance, 18t plus 54 is going to be a right angle.